Shanti. Today we shall see about Satyuga. Satyuga starts when Lakshmi Narayanan gets married. The day of their marriage is the first day, first month, first year, first yuga of that Kalpa. Satyuga is 1250 years. We told you one Kalpa is 5000 years. It is divided into 4 yuga. Satyuga, Treda, Dwapara, Kali Yuga. All 1250 years. Okay. One has got 8 births in Satyuga. So the lifespan in Satyuga is 150 years. Okay. So we will have 8 Lakshmi Narayanas ruling Satyuga. Okay. So that is how Satyuga is designed. So the Lakshmi Narayana will be named like this: Lakshmi Narayana 1, Lakshmi Narayana 2, Lakshmi Narayana 3, and so forth up to Lakshmi Narayanan 8. The degree of Atma in Satyuga will be 16. See, this is the purity of the soul that is measured in terms of Kala. If 16 Kala is there, that means it comes in the right from the day 1. Okay, and each and every Atma who is acting in this drama, they will have to undergo the 3 steps called Sado, Rajo, Tamo. Sado is the purest form, Rajo is the medium form, Tamo is the lowest form. Okay, that is how acting happens. The karma that we perform, karma is nothing but the action that we perform in Satyuga is called agarmam. What do you mean by agarmam? Agarmam means whatever action that we do, it does not have punyam or pavam that is attached to it. The basic reason that is happening is because in Satyuga, everybody will be rich. So there is no need for someone to go and beg and get something done. So there is no chance for someone to have to do punya. Likewise, nobody will rob, nobody will do theft, so there will not be any pava also in Satyuga. Thereby, so actions becomes karma, becomes agarmam. Okay, this is how actions are performed in Satyuga. In Satyuga, everybody will be damn rich, everybody will be millionaires and billionaires. Okay, here in Kali Yuga, we construct houses using bricks. Whereas in Satyuga and Tredaga, we construct using gold, platinums, diamonds. Because we will be the richest person. Only 9 lakh people will be there. The whole wealth of the world is within ourselves. Okay, there, people will live for 150 years, I said. So there will not be any hospital, doctor or pharmacy there, because nobody gets ill. And there will not be any quarrel between the people. Thereby, there will not be any police station, any court, any judge put up in Satyuga. How it will be now? The world is like that. Now the next question is, where in the earth we will have Satyuga? It will be the same in India alone. It will be in the same Delhi, but the Delhi will be called as Faristan. Farista means angel. Okay, Devatas. So the people who live in Satyuga, the 9 lakh people to 3 crore people are called Devatas. Even 33 crores are called Devatas. So Devatas means people with godly qualities. Okay, in Kali Yuga we call them as Sutras. That means with no quality. A full 100% quality we call them as Devatas. In Satyuga, how children are born? Here, through men and women, when they unite together, children are born. Whereas in Satyuga and Treta Yuga, it is purely through yoga. That is the power of this Raja Yoga. Okay, so they get married. After a couple of years, they feel that they need a kid. Due to their yoga power, they will have kids. It is something similar to what is told in Mahabharata story also. Karna is born to sun, and Bhima is born to Vayu. So this is a made up story, but still, this is how 33 crore people are born in Satyuga and Treta Yuga. There in Satyuga, there will not be any vihar, there will not be any vices. That means people will not be troubled by lust, anger, greed, family bondage or pride. Okay, that is how it will be. The dharma that we follow in Satyuga and Treta Yuga will be called Sanatana Dharma, but actually we will not have any temples in Satyuga and Treta Yuga, and there will not be any text, something like Bhagavad Gita what we had. So there will not be any belief of God or celebrating God or conducting any pujas, nothing will be there in Satyuga. In the end of Satyuga, we will have 3 crore people. So it will start with 9 lakh and it will end with 3 crore. This is the information about Satyuga. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and please tell your friends. Okay, thank you.